Sai Baba.
Millions of people across the world worship Shirdi Sai Baba. But now a resolution has been passed stating that the 19th century saint of India should not be worshipped as a deity. It is even being said that Shirdi Sai Baba's idols must be removed from temples. Yes, such a decision was taken at a religious conclave represented by 13 akhadas and other religious leaders at Chhattisgarh. The decision has not gone down well with Sai Baba followers, and the incident has led to a Dharma Yudh. Here's the report. Shirdi Sai Baba has no dearth of followers. Faith, devotion and donations are in abundance at the Shirdi Sai Baba temple in Maharashtra and across the world. Shirdi Sai Baba was a spiritual leader who was regarded by his devotees as a saint, Sadguru, and an incarnation of God. But now, this has become a matter of national debate. There is anger among certain sections of society over Sai Baba. There are arguments and different opinions about the authenticity of Shirdi Sai Baba, and a huge religious conclave was organized to resolve the issue.
अन्न जल के बिगर अन्न जल के यहाँ पर आइए बैठिए कौन कितने साईं जल भी ग्रहण नहीं किया जाएगा।
Believe it or not, a 2-day-long religious conclave or Dharma Sansad was convened by Shankaracharya Swami Swarupanand Saraswati of Dwarkapith at Kabirdham district in Chhattisgarh. The reason, Shankaracharya Swarupanand had raked up a controversy by opposing the worship of Sai Baba. Representatives and religious leaders wanted to debate the issue, and the gathering led to more controversies. They claim that Sai Baba is not a god, guru or saint. Yes, the representatives and religious leaders have passed a resolution that Sai Baba, the 19th century saint of Shirdi, should not be worshipped as a deity by the followers of Sanatan Dharma. According to them, there is no proof to authenticate Shirdi Sai Baba as God. The religious conclave passed a resolution and said that Sai Baba idols must be removed from temples. The religious conclave came to a conclusion that Sai Baba was and is not a saint, guru or god.
आप बताइए जितने हमारे भक्तजन बैठे हैं ये बताएं गुरु दीक्षा कौन देता है? गुरु दीक्षा जो जिंदा व्यक्ति होता है वही देता है ना भाई। अगर जो व्यक्ति मर गया है वह गुरु कैसे होगा? यदि वह गुरु नहीं है तो साईं में बिल्कुल महाराज श्री का नाम हम समर्थन करते हैं कि साईं न तो भगवान है, न गुरु है और न संत है।
बहुत से लोग ये समझते थे कि हिंदू लोग कभी एक नहीं होते और न किसी एक विषय में उनका विचार होता है, तो उसको उस भ्रम को दूर करने के लिए ये संसद बनाई गई है। इसमें मुख्य रूप से जो अभी साईं का प्रसंग चल रहा है ये है।
The big leaders who had united at the conclave concluded, stating that Sai Baba was neither a guru nor an incarnation of God. Shankaracharya Swarupanand even went on to say that Sai Baba does not even have an identity. Hence, there was no use offering prayers to Sai Baba. He also said that he will prove that Sai Baba did not exist. The representatives of the 13 akhadas agreed with Swami Swarupanand and claimed that they would follow his instructions.
शंकराचार्य हम सभी महात्माओं का सबसे बड़े माने जाते हैं। सभी महात्माओं ने उनको आदर करते हैं। उनकी जो भी बात होगी वो सत्य होगी और उसी बात को जो है हम लोग मानेंगे। हमारे गुरु लोग जैसे कहेंगे उसी बात को हम लोग सहमत हों।
The religious conclave had even invited Sri Sansthan Trust, which runs the Shirdi Sai temple. However, the trust which runs the temple failed to respond to the invitation. But a few Sai Baba followers attended the event on their own. And when they tried to voice their opinions, it led to a scuffle between the two parties. Manushya Mitra, a Sai Baba follower, was speaking about Sai Baba on the dais when a sadhu interrupted him midway and tried to snatch his microphone. The meeting, which was held to hold a debate, had turned into a battlefield. Sai Baba devotees and Swami Swarupanand's followers had a heated argument on stage, leaving thousands of visitors in a state of shock. The two parties pushed each other around and challenged their views. The incident has sparked controversy across the country and has left many Sai Baba devotees disappointed.
हम तो सबसे पहले इस धर्म संसद को ही मानते नहीं है, क्योंकि साईं बाबा भगवान है या भगवान नहीं है ये मानने का अधिकार साईं भक्तों को है, ना ही किसी शंकराचार्य को। इस देश में सवा सौ करोड़ की जनता है। 125 करोड़ में से कई करोड़ों साईं भक्त है जो साईं बाबा को भगवान मानते हैं। ये उनका अधिकार है, वो उनको बाबा को मानते हैं, इसलिए साईं बाबा को भगवान के रूप में वो जानते हैं। तो हमारा इसके बारे में ये कहना है कि साईं बाबा भगवान है, भगवान रहेंगे, और ना कि ये अकेले शंकराचार्य इस पे कुछ बयानबाजी देंगे। बाकी और शंकराचार्य कहाँ गए? अगर वो धर्म संसद है तो बाकी और धर्मगुरु नहीं है क्या? सिर्फ ये अकेले है क्या?
We really don't know the reason behind Shankaracharya's controversial statements, but one thing is for sure, it has hurt many Sai Baba devotees. Shankaracharya Swami Swarupanand had taken a vow to shrink Sai Baba's followers and bring down the spiritual leader's popularity. He had even invited representatives from Shirdi Sai Baba's trust and 13 other akhadas to debate over Sai Baba's authenticity as a god and guru. But the meeting ended up creating another controversy.
आप शंकराचार्य भक्तों को चैलेंज कर रहे हैं। मैं शंकराचार्य के चरणों में बैठता हूँ और हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं, हम के लिए आओ बैठो, मैं चैलेंज करता हूँ।
The religious conclave to debate Sai Baba's authenticity was done without anyone from Shirdi Sai Baba temple representing the meeting. The first day of the 2-day-long conclave went on smoothly, but Shankaracharya Swarupanand passed resolutions against Sai Baba by his own consent on the second day of the conclave.
शंकराचार्य हिंदू धर्मों को चैलेंज कर रहा है, मैं बैठ रहा हूँ। अन्न जल के
This had irked a few Sai Baba devotees who were present at the meeting. They even got on stage to voice their opinions. But as soon as they got on the dais, Shankaracharya's followers got them into a heated argument. Shankaracharya's followers lost their cool and even ushered Sai Baba's followers off the dais. But the big question is, what is right for the religious conclave to pass such a resolution? This is not the first time that Shankaracharya Swarupananda created a controversy over Sai Baba. It was less than 2 months ago when Shankaracharya's statements in Haridwar had created protests across the country. He had said, worshipping Sai Baba was a conspiracy to divide the Hindus. Sai Baba should not be worshipped as he was a human being and not a god, and his temples should not be built. Shankaracharya Swarupanand had taken up the issue of Sab Dharm Ek Hai. He had raised questions over the saying that Sab Ka Malik Ek. These sayings and beliefs were that of Shirdi Sai Baba. Shankaracharya Swarupanand had said that devotees were free to worship Sai Baba, but then they should not go to other Hindu temples. He had said that Hindus could not visit temples of Lord Ram and Shiva, and also must not take a dip in river Ganga. This had created a rift between the Hindus. Sai Baba devotees were unhappy with Shankaracharya's statements and had even burnt his effigies. Devotees from Shirdi Sai Baba temple in Maharashtra to Delhi to Haridwar got on the streets to show their devotion towards Sai Baba. Men, women and children voiced their opinion against Shankaracharya Swarupanand and took idols of Sai Baba to immerse them in river Ganga. It was their way to answer the Hindu leader. Sai Baba devotees claimed that the Ganga, Ram and Shiva temples belonged to them and that they would offer prayers in all of them. They had retaliated and said that they would not allow anyone to destroy their beliefs. Shankaracharya Swarupanand had argued that Shirdi Sai Baba cannot be accepted as God as per Hinduism. The Dwarka seer argued that the Hindu scriptures have accepted Shiv, Shakti, Vishnu, Ganesh and Surya and their respective reincarnations as gods. He had said that the gods accepted by Hinduism were mentioned in various religious scriptures pertaining to the religion. He had said that Sai Baba did not fall in that category. Shankaracharya has stuck to his words after raising a controversy nearly 2 months ago. According to him, Sai Baba was a Muslim and not an avatar of anybody. He also claimed that Sai Baba was not a symbol of Hindu-Muslim unity. His justification has angered Sai Baba devotees. According to him, Sai Baba was a Muslim. Yes, Shankaracharya Swarupanand claims that Sai Baba was a Muslim and that Sai himself had accepted it. Hence, the Hindu religious leader says Sai Baba cannot be compared to Hindu gods and should not be offered prayers. He did not want Sai Baba idols in Hindu temples. According to him, if Sai Baba was a symbol of Hindus and Muslims, then even the Muslims must be offering him prayers, which according to him is not happening.
कहा जाता है कि शिरडी साईं बाबा हिंदू मुस्लिम एकता का प्रतीक है, यही ना? तो ये तब प्रतीक होता जब उसको हिंदुओं के साथ साथ मुसलमान भी मानते.
The issue has raked up controversy across the country and has left Sai Baba devotees and Shankaracharya Swarupanand's followers at loggerheads. Should Shankaracharya Swarupanand stop making such comments, or is there truth to his statements? A News Stand report.